One of the most frequently asked questions is, what do you do with extra tortillas? Or how do you make nice fried products like chips or strips? Our thin, credible, organic corn tortillas are fantastic for frying. So how we begin is I've started to heat some canola oil to about 350 degrees. The biggest tip to you is do not crowd your chips and just let them kind of hang out and bathe in the bath, but just like that. They're starting to bubble. That means all the moisture's coming out of the chip, and it probably takes 30 to 45 seconds to have them get all nice and golden brown, and have a nice paper towel sitting next to you to take off the extra oil, and then lightly salt. So here's a nice platter with a bunch of chips and strips and salsa. What a beautiful thing to bring to the table. And remember, always cook with pure tortilla joy.